A small number of people are essentially immune to HIV, not vaccinated, not treated, but born that way. The reason is almost absurdly small: 32 letters of DNA missing from a single gene. This is the story of that gene, the cures it made possible, and the line a scientist crossed because of it. The gene is CCR5, tucked into the short arm of chromosome 3. Its job is to build a small receptor, a docking port that studs the surface of your immune cells and helps them read the chemical signals of inflammation. Useful, but it turns out something your body can largely live without. Here is why those 32 letters matter. To break into a cell, HIV needs two handholds. First, a protein called CD4, then a co-receptor. And for the strains behind most new infections, that co-receptor is CCR5. Delete the 32 letters, and the gene is read out of frame. The receptor comes out garbled and never reaches the cell's surface. No docking port, no way in. The one catch? A rarer form of the virus uses a different door, so the shield isn't absolute. How did anyone find this? In the mid-1990s, doctors kept meeting people who had been exposed to HIV over and over and simply never caught it. In 1996, several teams cracked the puzzle at once. Those people carried two broken copies of CCR5. The deletion was common across Europe, roughly 1 allele in 10, and almost unknown elsewhere. That discovery handed medicine an audacious idea. In Berlin, a man named Timothy Ray Brown had both HIV and leukemia. His doctor, Gero Hooter, deliberately chose a bone marrow donor with 2 copies of the deletion. Brown's immune system grew back resistant, and his HIV disappeared. He became the first person ever cured. Years later, a second man in London was cured the same way. But where some saw a careful cure, one scientist saw a shortcut. In 2018, a Chinese researcher, He Jiankui, used the gene editing tool CRISPR to switch off CCR5 in human embryos and then implanted them. Twin girls, codenamed Lulu and Nana, were born, the first gene-edited humans in history. He revealed it to a stunned scientific summit in Hong Kong. Then the story curdled. He hadn't recreated the natural deletion at all. His edits were new, untested mutations, different in each twin and patchy from cell to cell. Worse, the children had never been in real danger of HIV. A routine procedure already keeps an infected father from passing it on. The backlash was immediate. A court sent him to prison for practicing medicine illegally. The honest path forward borrows the mutation, not the recklessness. There's already a drug, Maraviroc, that caps the CCR5 receptor from the outside. It has treated HIV since 2007. Labs are learning to edit a patient's own immune cells to delete CCR5 safely. No donor required. And the strangest twist of all, the same missing gene seems to help the brain heal. People who carry it recover better after a stroke. One gene, 32 missing letters, from a virus that couldn't get in to the first cure, to a line we crossed far too soon. Nature edited this gene a long time ago, and for now, its edits are still steadier than ours. The Gene Channel.